Hello, fairy lovers. This is Lynn with Alive at 5 with the Fairy Jive. Sorry I'm late. Had a little technical issue with Facebook. Oh, I love Facebook. So we are going to review fairy garden houses today on Etsy. Now, I'll have the link above this one when we're done reviewing it. But this is absolutely wonderful. This is a strawberry fairy house, and it lights up. Look at that front door. Hi, Connie, how are you? And look at the little vines all over. I just think it's so cute. And it actually sits on like this little, kind of like stones, little stones. Hi, Debbie, good to see you. We are reviewing houses. Now, ladies, this is a great buy. If you're looking for a fairy house, this is a stackable pumpkin house that lights up. And I'm telling you, this is a bargain. So I think this is very cute. They're having a Halloween sale at this Etsy store, and it is so cute. Hi, Alex. And anyway, I just love that little house. Now this is actually a micro mini house right here. So that means it would be good for terrariums and that kind of thing, but I think it's so cute because it's a little mushroom and it's a little house. This is also a micro miniature, which means it'd be good for little terrariums. It's a little Christmas house, and it's not too early to start thinking of Christmas. I think this is just adorable for a little Christmas house. Absolutely adorable. Absolutely love that one. Then the next little guy we have, everyone needs a castle. Look at this one. I like this because I've not seen these colors before. It's got kind of that peachy and yellow, and I think that's really cute. That's a little castle. Now this is a butterfly house, and it's full of little butterflies. Isn't that just adorable? I just fell in love with this. I think I'm going to have to get this one. So anyway, then we have wonderful Halloween. I'm going to even show you some handmade houses. Now, this is a handmade Halloween house that I think is so cute. And they have the keep out on there, and they have the little bales of hay, and there's a little ghost up in the window. So there's all different kinds of fairy houses, and if you're crafty, make your own. And then this is, I have not seen this before, this is a greenhouse. This is actually a little fairy greenhouse that you can put like little succulents and things in. That would be a really cute little touch. Look, it has a little stone. It has the doorway. That is so adorable. And this is a handmade house, but look at it. It's kind of a thatched roof. And then look, she painted on the little shutters, and it comes down kind of to the side. She's got little vines going up. Very cute. The butterfly house is adorable. Yes, I agree. She did a really good job on this little house. Very cute. And this one is an acorn house. So on top you can see the acorn. It's got little gables up there. And you come down and it's got like a little acorn front door. That would be so sweet for the fall too. You know, you don't always have to do pumpkin houses. Now this has got a leaf roof, but what I like, this has got a deck. It has a fairy deck. Go figure. I guess you could put little fairy launch furniture out, but it's up on stilts, and it has like it's built on a stump, which I think is really, really cute. I mean, this, I've not seen this before either, and it's got accents of purple, and it's got little curtains, and see how it's built up on these stilts? Isn't that just cute? So that's another one. This one's a favorite. I've seen this several times, but I just love the colors on this. Reminds me of a bohemian kind of fairy garden. It's got this little bird cage there too that's so sweet. Now this is a really unique one. This is a witch house, but this little witch comes with it. Now I don't know how that little witch is staying up in the air, but I thought that would be so cute. You could hang her from a tree or something outside. I just love it. I know the greenhouse is very cute too. Now this is your traditional pumpkin house that I just think is so cute. And I always have a fairy garden outside on Halloween. and I have little lights on it and the whole ball of wax. So I'll be showing you my Halloween fairy garden this year. We'll go outside and I'll film it when it's dark. This is very cute. This is another handmade house. It looks like it has a thatched roof, but this is a little sea cottage. And I've featured this before, but I just really am enthralled with this because she's got little paintings inside and everything. It's so cute. Now this is a little hobbit house. You can see that door, and this would fit in so cute if you had, say like you had a fern in your garden, and you could just nestle this in with the ferns, and you really wouldn't see it. It's just, could be just like a little hidden jewel. I like that hobbit house a lot. Then the next house is one of my favorites. It's called the Sunflower House. Now it has a chimney, as you can see, but as you come down, it has sunflowers. It has, I just love the little vines when they go on there. And look at this, it's supposed to be a little fountain there. Isn't that just a hoot? I just love this. And they've got little shovels and rakes hanging on the side, and there's more sunflowers over there. Very nicely done. So today we reviewed houses, and I definitely will have the link for you above, and I'll be back tomorrow with a live at 5 with the Fairy Jive. And I'm also going to do a little special. I am doing the front of my house. I'm doing a fall fairy scene that I'll have ready for you tomorrow, and I'll definitely show you that tomorrow. So everybody, thank you for being on. Have a great day. I will see you tomorrow live at 5 with the Fairy Jive, and just have a super evening. Bye-bye.